Welcome to the front desk. Your first impression is everything. Have you ever walked into a place and been greeted with a warm smile? Maybe someone offered you help right away? That feeling of being welcomed and cared for starts at the front desk. The front desk is the first point of contact for any organization. It's the face of the company. And the people behind the desk, they are the directors of first impressions. They set the tone for the entire customer experience. In this guide, we'll unlock the secrets of the front desk. We'll explore what it takes to thrive in this dynamic role. From mastering essential skills to navigating daily tasks, we'll cover it all. Get ready to discover the exciting world of a front desk coordinator. The front desk coordinator is a master of many trades. They wear multiple hats throughout the day. They are responsible for a wide range of tasks, all crucial to the smooth operation of the organization. Think of them as the conductors of the front desk orchestra, ensuring everything runs harmoniously. What exactly does a front desk coordinator do? Their primary responsibility is to be the first point of contact for visitors and callers. They greet guests, answer inquiries, and direct them to the appropriate departments or individuals. This involves managing phone calls, emails, and sometimes even mail correspondence. They are the go to people for information and assistance. But their role extends far beyond just greeting people. Front desk coordinators handle a variety of administrative tasks. They might manage appointments, schedule meetings, and organize travel arrangements. They may also be responsible for maintaining office supplies, processing invoices, and handling basic bookkeeping. In essence, front desk coordinators are the glue that holds an office together. They ensure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. They are problem solvers, communicators, and multitasking masters. Their work directly impacts the efficiency of the entire organization. So, you're ready to take on the exciting world of the front desk? That's great. Now, let's talk about how to make your application stand out. What are the key skills and qualities that make a front desk coordinator truly exceptional? First and foremost, excellent communication skills are non negotiable. You'll be interacting with people constantly, both face to face and over the phone. This requires clear articulation, active listening, and the ability to convey information effectively. Remember, you are the voice of the company. Organization and time management are also crucial. You'll be juggling multiple tasks simultaneously, from answering phones to scheduling appointments. Staying organized, prioritizing tasks, and managing your time efficiently is key to succeeding in this fast paced environment. Being proficient in technology is essential. You'll be using computers, phones, scheduling software, and various office equipment daily. Familiarity with these tools and the ability to adapt to new software quickly will make your life much easier. But beyond these hard skills, certain soft skills can truly set you apart. A positive attitude and a welcoming demeanor are invaluable. Your energy sets the tone for the entire office. Being patient, empathetic, and able to handle stressful situations with grace will make you a true asset to any team. What does a typical day look like for a front desk coordinator? Well, no 2 days are ever the same. That's part of what makes this role so dynamic and exciting. However, there are some common threads that run through the daily routine. The day often starts by opening the office. This might involve turning on lights, checking messages, and preparing the reception area for the day ahead. Then, the phones start ringing and the emails begin to flow in. Responding to inquiries, directing calls, and greeting visitors becomes the main focus. Throughout the day, you'll be managing appointments, scheduling meetings, and coordinating travel arrangements. You might find yourself ordering office supplies, processing invoices, or assisting with basic bookkeeping tasks. The variety of tasks ensures there's never a dull moment. One of the most rewarding aspects of the job is the interaction with people. You'll meet people from all walks of life, building relationship with colleagues, clients, and vendors. You'll be the go-to person for information and assistance, playing a crucial role in creating a positive and welcoming environment.